Carrier error code 44 indicates that the low-pressure switch in your AC system is open. This means the system has detected insufficient refrigerant pressure, a safety mechanism to prevent compressor damage. When this happens, the unit enters a lockout mode, displaying 44 on the control panel. The system will likely output warm air, and you may notice unusual noises or even icing on the coils. This code is frequently encountered, accounting for 15 to 20% of carrier AC service calls. Error code 44 in carrier HVAC systems primarily occurs due to low refrigerant pressure. The most common cause is a refrigerant leak, which can happen in several places throughout the system. Refrigerant leaks are the leading cause of low pressure. These leaks often occur in the evaporator coils, where the coil's copper tubing can corrode over time, especially in humid environments. Leaks can also develop in the refrigerant lines or at connection points, often due to vibration, improper installation, or corrosion at joints. Beyond leaks, a faulty low-pressure switch itself can trigger the error. The switch may fail to close properly when pressure is adequate, or it might be damaged from age or electrical issues. Wiring issues such as loose connections or damaged cables leading to the switch can prevent proper voltage from reaching the low-pressure switch. Clogged filters or refrigerant dryers can restrict refrigerant flow, leading to low pressure. These components trap moisture and debris, but when they become blocked, they impede the system's operation. A failing compressor can also cause low pressure readings. If the compressor isn't pumping refrigerant effectively, pressure drops throughout the system. Improper initial installation can lead to ongoing pressure issues, such as incorrect refrigerant charge levels. Overcharging the system with too much refrigerant can also cause abnormal pressure readings over time. It's crucial to identify and fix the underlying issue, rather than just resetting the error code. This prevents the problem from recurring and ensures your HVAC system operates efficiently. The low-pressure switch, or LPS, is a crucial component in your carrier AC system. It monitors the pressure in the suction line, which carries refrigerant from the evaporator back to the compressor. Located on the suction line, the LPS protects the compressor by ensuring adequate refrigerant pressure. If pressure drops too low, it opens the circuit, stopping the compressor to prevent damage. The switch typically triggers at pressures between 20 to 30 psi for older R22 systems, or within a similar range for newer refrigerants like R410A. This threshold prevents the compressor from running dry. When pressure drops below the threshold, the LPS opens, cutting power to the compressor and triggering error code 44. This safety mechanism saves the system from severe damage. A properly functioning LPS is essential for system protection. Here's how it's wired into the system. Diagnosing carrier error code 44 requires a systematic approach to identify the root cause safely and accurately. First, perform a visual inspection of the HVAC system. Look for obvious signs of damage such as leaks, corroded coils, damaged hoses, or loose connections that could indicate refrigerant loss. Next, test the low-pressure switch using a multimeter. Check for continuity. The switch should close when refrigerant pressure is within normal operating range, typically above 20-30 psi. Then, measure the actual refrigerant pressure using pressure gauges connected to the system's service ports. Compare these readings to carrier's manufacturer specifications for your specific model. Use an electronic refrigerant leak detector to scan the system for leaks. Move the detector probe along hoses, coils, and connections to pinpoint any escaping refrigerant. Throughout the diagnostic process, Carrier's Pro Diagnostics app can provide guided step-by-step instructions and help interpret readings for accurate troubleshooting. Fixing carrier error code 44 requires addressing the underlying cause identified during diagnosis. The repair process must be performed by a qualified HVAC technician to ensure safety and compliance. If a refrigerant leak is the cause, the system needs to be evacuated to remove air and moisture. The leak repaired, such as welding a pinhole in a coil, and then recharged with the correct amount of refrigerant. For a faulty low-pressure switch, the component needs to be replaced to restore proper pressure monitoring. If clogged filters or dryers are causing the issue, they should be replaced to ensure proper refrigerant flow through the system. Throughout all repairs, technicians must comply with ASHRAE standards and local codes, when handling refrigerants to ensure environmental safety and proper system operation. Working with refrigerants requires proper training and certification to ensure safe handling. Refrigerants can be harmful to the environment and pose health risks if handled improperly, including potential for toxicity or burns. Always wear appropriate personal protective equipment, PPE, such as gloves and safety glasses to protect against exposure. Never release refrigerants into the atmosphere, as this contributes to environmental damage and is illegal. Use a recovery machine to capture and recycle refrigerants properly. Consult local regulations and EPA guidelines for proper refrigerant handling and disposal to ensure compliance and safety. Regular maintenance can significantly reduce the likelihood of encountering Error Code 44. Schedule annual inspections by a qualified HVAC technician to check for leaks, proper refrigerant levels, and overall system performance. Regularly clean or replace air filters to ensure proper airflow. Keep the outdoor unit free of debris. Consider using smart HVAC systems with predictive analytics to identify potential issues before they escalate. Preventive coil cleaning can prevent many leaks caused by corrosion. The HVAC industry is evolving rapidly towards smarter, more proactive diagnostics that promise to transform how we handle issues like Carrier Error Code 44. Expect increased integration of IoT sensors that continuously monitor system performance and detect potential issues before they become problems. AI-powered analytics will analyze sensor data in real time, enabling remote monitoring capabilities that alert technicians to emerging issues. Carrier's green speed technology and other smart systems are already reducing Error Code 44 incidents through predictive maintenance and automated adjustments. The transition to eco-friendly refrigerants will further minimize low-pressure risks by using more stable and efficient cooling agents. Variable speed compressors dynamically adjust operation to maintain optimal pressure levels, preventing the conditions that trigger Error Code 44. Ultimately, AI-driven systems may virtually eliminate reactive fixes like Error Code 44 through self-healing algorithms and connected pumps that automatically adjust and maintain system health. This evolution toward intelligent, predictive HVAC systems represents a significant advancement in building comfort and efficiency.